Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the class system. Now, before we get started, something you all need to understand, classes are all very unique and very different from game to game. There are games that don't have classes, which is why this stuff is optional. If you have the class data asset array empty within the settings, then it assumes you're not doing classes whatsoever. Um, So this is the foundation for my class system because we have the attributes done. So I went ahead and got the attributes done for the classes. This will expand quite a bit as we go into phase 2 and phase 3, further into phase 2 and then also into phase 3, um, allowing for skill trees and anything else that is generally found within class systems. Uh, Again, this is a very open system to allow you to set things up foundationally how you would like. Um, if there's anything that is missing, I need to know so that I can find a way to add it. If it's not actually already there, you just didn't realize it. So let's go ahead and get started with the settings section, of course. As I said while I was in the attributes, I was going to add a class system section, which I have. And it holds any number of an array of class data. Um, we will open that up in a second. Then you choose the default class group combine mode. So feel free to pause to read over this so that you can understand what's going on here. Essentially, what we have here is, say, this one right here. Let's go ahead and just open it. This one right here has warrior and rogue in it. And then the player chooses to be a warrior and a priest, which technically allows them down the road to unlock paladin. Now, if you have a cross-class system set up, which obviously this allows you to do, um, you need to decide how do the attributes all add together. So additive, that means for the warrior, they have 5 strength and 4 constitution. So you'll get the 5 and the 4, and then the priest has 3 constitution and 4 intelligence. So now you're up to 8 constitution because there was 3 in the priest and 5 in the warrior. That's how that's the simple sum all classes setup goes. You also have the maximum, so whichever one is highest, a weighted average, or priority, all of which you can set up however you choose. And we will be going over that in the classes when we get there. You then, that's just the default. You can also have it be different per type. So if I go ahead and pop this open, group A and group B, they're additive, and then pop this open, and we have group A and group C, they are maximum. So it gives you complete and total flexibility and control over how your system works. It allows for multi-classing. It allows for prestige classes. It allows for specialization, unlocking, superior classes, or what did World of Warcraft call it? Hero classes. It allows for you to build your class system how you want. And this is just the rules for putting everything together. So in the next episode, we will dive a bit deeper into the class data attribute, class data asset. I just want to make sure you fully understood the class system settings before we jumped further down this rabbit hole.